this is my squishy mail for the month. So every month I get a crochet kit from a place called Annie's Kit Club. Pretty cool. It's about 30 bucks a month, and I get the yarn, the pattern, and everything I need except for the hook and needle. So this is this month's unboxing. This is the package it comes in. It's so pretty. Okay. So we're gonna open it, and it's gonna be a jerk because it's like holiday. But that's okay. Here we go. Ooh, look at all the pretty colors. So it comes with all of the yarn, and then that is the pattern. So this month it looks like it's called the Color Burst Coaster, and I don't know what a truvette is, but I'm guessing it's probably the big coaster in the middle there. So yeah, that's what I get to make this month, and I will post a photo later once I have it all put together and done up. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, and one last note, this video is not sponsored by Annie's Kit Club. That is just what I use. They're not paying me to say this.